a kind of like a secret camera, and she's recording this. Because no one's home with her, bro.
Can I explain what's going on?
No one's home with Yvonne. So my girlfriend's home alone right now, and I'm using the swing app, which tells me it's a kind of like a secret camera, and she's there with another guy. Like, I don't know who that is, but she didn't tell me she was bringing over a friend or anything, so I don't know what's going on.
So you want me to record this just for evidence?
Yeah, just record it just cause, like.
Who is that?
I don't know. He's wearing a hat, so we can't really see his face.
Is there volume up?
Yeah, duh. Yeah, she's definitely talking to a guy.
Who is that?
I don't know. He looks like a bigger dude, like.
Do you want to go home?
Not yet. I'm still watching the video. I want to see what happens. Like, I don't want to go home yet.
Just so anything doesn't go on here.
It's so confusing. Like, what's going on here? Does the guy look familiar to you, like, at all?
No.
So he's just some rando that showed up. That's it.
I can't, like, he's not turning around. So, like, how am I supposed to know who it is? You want to keep watching? Do you want to drive? Do you want me to keep looking at it and then you drive? Or what?
Yeah, sure. That's crazy, bro.
Nothing's happening. They're just talking.
Maybe I'm overthinking it, right? Like,
maybe, but who is it, though?
I don't know who that guy is. Like, he's not supposed to be at our house.
Hopefully we don't lose connection.
Just keep watching the video. If anything happens, let me know.
They're standing at the door.
But like I said, no one's supposed to be over right now. Just only her. She's supposed to be home alone. So I don't know what's going on.
Volume's not working on this. I don't know why.
Why isn't the volume working?
Just keep driving. I'll tell you what's going on. Who is that?
I don't know.
Looks like he's pretty tall.
Oh, they just hugged. They lagged. The hug is lagging? He's gonna give. Oh, they did hug.
They're walking down.
Where are they going, bro?
I don't know.
Let me see.
Here. Just drive home. Almost home.
Drive home.
Poor connection. Almost home, though. Just keep going.
Who is this dude, bro?
I don't know. It's poor connection, bro.
Why does it leave poor connection right now?
I don't know, because they're answering the words.
Sorry.
Hey, I don't know where they went, bro.
Let's see what's going on.
I'm pulling up to the gate. That guy with the car?
No, I mean, they're just cutting the yard.
You sure?
Yeah. He was wearing like a green pants and like a gray top.
Oh, I just got another notification. Someone just walked out.
It wasn't that guy. He's cutting the grass.
You sure?
Yeah, bro. He's just cutting the grass. Let's go inside and see.
You want me to report this?
Yeah, of course. Whatever. Yeah, where is she at, bro?
Bro, I think they went that way.
That way?
Yeah. Bro, I'm pretty sure it's all good.
You sure, Marcus?
I don't know.
Hey, bro.
I guess we'll just see what happens.
Why did stuff happen today?
Yeah, pretty sure. Checking the pool house.
Hey! Ron, baby! He did go this way on camera, right?
Yo!
Where's she at? Baby, you here?
You can just call her.
I don't want to go on. Baby!
Why are you getting her name? Don't you want to see the guy?
Yeah, I don't know who the guy is. Let me call her real quick and ask where she's at. Why is she not picking up? Is she with him right now?
I don't know. How would I know anything about this?
I don't know. Pick up, pick up.
Hello?
Hey, baby, where you at?
I'm inside. What?
You're inside?
Inside where?
Inside the living room? Or where?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm inside. Right here.
Alright. I thought you said you shoot. Alright, bye. I'll meet us soon.
Alright, bye.
I thought you said she's here, bro.
Bro, hurry up. Why is she trying to act like nothing happened?
I don't know. Yvonne?
I'll let you guys talk. My bad. Oh wait, Lucas, yo, he's walking. What? Is that him? Where? Right there. Oh, who is he? Yeah. Who is that? Oh, the guy, right? Wait, is that Steve? Yeah. What? That was Steve the whole time.
What do you mean?
I don't know what you talking about. What are you guys doing? We just pranked you. Really, Steve? That's just no. Look at that curly hair. So you set me up? Yeah. Hold up, chill.
Look at me, man.
What? What happened on the camera? Tell me now. No, it was all a setup.
He tried to make me act like I was like, saying what's up. I'm like, yo, she's like my sister.
Yeah.
What?
I'll show you guys how I did it. I'll show you guys how we did it.
Oh no.
Hi everyone, I am back for another video, and today, me, Yvonne, and Steve are gonna prank Lucas really bad.
Yep. Not my idea. Again, I'm gonna keep saying this the entire video. It's his idea.
Yeah.
I feel weirded out by this.
My idea. Lucas is not at the house right now, and we're gonna pretend that Yvonne is talking to Steve on this Ring app. This Ring app, you can see everything that's going on.
And I'm gonna act like I'm not me with this hat.
He brings up a family.
You see guys? You think Lucas is gonna know it's you?
I mean,
As long as you're like this, facing that, I'm gonna tell Lucas to pick me up right now.
Okay.
You guys wait inside and walk out in like 5 minutes.
Alright.
Actually, I'll just text you.
yeah, that's fine. Perfect.
Alright, let's call him. Make sure he doesn't see the camera.
I got you.
He's not answering. Why isn't he answering? Come on. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, Lucas, where you at?
I'm like 10 minutes away.
Do you want to get Starbucks together? Just you and I?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, you walk the house, go away.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright, bye. Alright. You ready, Steven Yvonne?
Yeah.
Alright, he's here. Get in position. Where's Yvonne? Come out in like 10 minutes.
Okay, I'll get it.
Alright, hopefully he doesn't see me recording right now. What's up, bro? You ready?
Let's get a cold drink.
Boy, it's quarantine. Like, sucks.
This boy at home. What are you feeling? Starbucks or?
Did you guys enjoy this prank? Like, subscribe. I think it was an okay prank. I'm surprised you didn't know it was Steve. I didn't know because his hat was hiding it. Hey, not my idea, bro. That was good. I'm gonna get you guys back, so you better subscribe to this channel. It's
Oh,
yeah.